Huawei P40 Pro hands-on pictures leak, and they're missing a key feature we expected. The Huawei P40 Pro was rumored to have a screen that curves around all four edges of the phone, a design feature we haven't seen before, but new hands-on pictures suggest it might look a little more plain than we'd expected. These images were shared by a leaker on Weibo, a Chinese social network, and while they were swiftly deleted, GSM Arena saved the two photos. These images were said to be of the Huawei P40 Pro, but as we'll get into later, there are plenty of other devices they look like, or could actually be. The two photos show a phone that is clad in a protective case, likely to stop people taking photos of the device. That clearly didn't work, and a few features, like the rear camera bump, are intentionally covered. We can still see the display, though. The Huawei P40 Pro's screen seems to be slightly rounded at the edges, as the Huawei P30 Pro's was, and there's also a punch-hole camera cut out to the top left of the display, but the aforementioned total curved screen is absent. In fact, if this is the Huawei P40 Pro, it's set to look incredibly similar to a range of phones coming in 2020. The Samsung Galaxy S20, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, OnePlus 8 Pro and more rumored 2020 smartphones are all set to have curved screens with punch-hole cutout cameras, and if this photographed phone isn't one of those, the Huawei P40 Pro looks incredibly like all those other devices. In other words, it could be a pretty standard device. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.